Can a woman object to humiliating treatment by authorities in India? Yes, a woman can object to humiliating treatment by authorities because lawful process is not supposed to destroy dignity. Under the Constitution, equality before law, protection against discrimination on grounds only of sex, and the right to life and personal liberty together support the idea that public authorities must treat women with seriousness, fairness, and respect. Articles 14, 15, and 21 are the main constitutional foundations for this. Humiliating treatment is not just a matter of bad manners. In legal terms, it can become important when authorities act in a way that degrades a woman's dignity, ignores her equal status, invades privacy without lawful basis, or treats her as less worthy of respect because she is a woman. If an authority uses humiliation, intimidation, ridicule, bias, or unnecessary exposure during official dealings, that may raise a legal issue. This is an inference from the constitutional guarantees of equality, dignity, and liberty. This becomes clearer in women protective laws. The Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act expressly states that sexual harassment violates a woman's fundamental rights to equality under Articles 14 and 15 and her right to life and to live with dignity under Article 21. That shows Indian law directly recognizes that humiliation and degrading treatment can violate legal rights, not just social expectations. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act also reflects the same legal idea. It provides remedies such as protection orders, residence orders, monetary relief, custody orders, compensation orders, and in-camera proceedings in appropriate cases. That shows the law does not expect women to go through harmful or degrading treatment without remedy simply because the setting is private or emotionally difficult. So if a woman is dealing with police, government offices, public authorities, legal institutions, or any official mechanism, she is not expected to silently accept humiliating treatment. She can object when the process becomes degrading, biased, or unlawfully disrespectful. She is not asking for a favor by doing so. She is asserting a position grounded in equality and dignity under law. This is an inference from the cited constitutional and statutory protections. Of course, the exact legal remedy depends on the facts, the authority involved, and the nature of the conduct. But the basic principle is clear. Authorities are supposed to act within the framework of dignity, equality, and lawful treatment, not outside it. So in simple words, yes, a woman can object to humiliating treatment by authorities because dignity is part of lawful treatment itself, and public power does not cancel that dignity. Indian laws explained. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.